Did you know a 17-year-old Boy Scout once turned his backyard shed into a nuclear disaster zone? In 1994, David Hahn had a terrifying idea. He wanted to build a nuclear reactor for his merit badge project. But this wasn't some harmless science experiment. David became obsessed. He stole hundreds of smoke detectors to harvest radioactive americium. He bought radium from antique stores. He stripped thorium from camping lanterns, all while following actual nuclear physics textbooks. What he created in that Michigan shed was a monster. His homemade reactor pumped out deadly radiation that Geiger counters could detect from blocks away. The entire neighborhood was being slowly poisoned, and nobody knew. When police finally discovered his radioactive materials during a routine check, the horror became real. The EPA declared his mother's property a Superfund site. Hazmat teams in full protective gear had to dismantle everything. The contamination spread throughout the neighborhood. And David? The radiation destroyed his body from the inside. He died at just 39 years old, killed by his own deadly creation.